We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible to our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. So if you're looking for the best customer service, backed by years of experience, then we're the right fit for you. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.